hybrid ceramic finishing system for Vita Enamic. Well, all the steps are laid out. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's also got the speeds down there at the bottom. So we're going to use the BH100B wheel at a slow speed, 7 to 10,000 RPM, to remove the sprue and smooth out any unwanted mill marks. Light contact pressure. Step 2, we're going to use a medium bristle brush and the fine soft DiaShine. Slow it down to about 5 to 6,000 RPM. Keep the brush in contact with the restoration. Light to moderate contact pressure. Reload the brush as necessary. And when you're polishing the occlusal anatomy, you can go a little bit firmer on the pull stroke. That way the bristles will reach into the anatomy. And you're not going to worry about damaging any of the anatomy because the bristles won't damage. Third step, final polish with a new bristle brush, a new medium bristle brush, and the super fine soft DiaShine. Again, you're going to use the same speeds. Lightly coat the restoration with the polish. You get a nice haze on there. Same with the occlusal. Now it's going to look like it's hazy and it's not going to be polished just yet until you hit it with the chamois brush. The lowest step is going to be using our goat hair chamois center soft bristle brush at 10,000 RPM. There you go. Just lightly touch it. Now if you happen to get some polish left in the cracks, DiaShine is completely water soluble, so you can spray that out. You can steam it out. Alright, that's it.